Do your knees crack when you stand up? Do you feel like your legs are not as firm as they used to be? Have you noticed that your teeth may be feeling more sensitive, your nails getting weaker, or you might be feeling that something small could turn into something serious? After 50, many people start noticing signs that they did not have before. A little pain in the knee, back pain maybe, weakness in their legs, joints that make that noise, that cracking noise, teeth that feel more fragile, and then a silent question that appears. Are my bones losing strength? Am I getting old? But today I'm going to show you something many people throw away without knowing that when prepared correctly, it can become a homemade support for your bones, teeth, muscle, tissues, and joints, the eggshell. Yes, the same shell that you usually crack when you use the egg and throw away. That eggshell is made of mostly calcium carbonate, and calcium is not only for your bones. It also plays a role in teeth, muscle contraction, and signals the body in the use of everyday functions. But listen carefully, because you should not be using it raw. You do not use it dirty. You shouldn't be using it in pieces. To use it at home, you first have to wash it out, boil it, dry it, and grind it very finely. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple preparations using eggshells, apples, banana peels, lemon, cinnamon, honey, and carrots that are going to blow your mind away. And while we prepare them, you will understand what each ingredient provides and how it can support the body from the inside. To start, first we're going to prepare the calcium base. You're going to need the shells of 6 chicken eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, enough water to boil, a clean dry jar and lid, and every time you crack an egg, you're going to rinse the shell inside and the outside and remove any leftover of the egg whites. When you have the shells from 6 eggs, wash them well with cold water, add some baking soda gently to rub them, then place them in a small pot, cover them with water, and when the water starts boiling, let them sit for about 10 minutes. After that, drain them, place them on the baking tray, put them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes in a moderate heat until they're dry and crunchy. When they cool down, place them in a food processor, chopper, or grinder, grind them until a very fine powder is seen, and this part is key. If the powder is too coarse, it will feel unpleasant. Touch it with your fingers and feel. If it feels rough, keep grinding. It should feel smooth. That fine powder will be the base of our recipes. Now let's go into the first preparation. Apple, banana peel, cinnamon, lemon, and eggshell mash. To start, first take the apple. Wash it well. Do not remove the peel yet. Cut it into small pieces. The apple will provide some natural water, a small amount of vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. And what does this have all to do with our bones and tissue? Well, more than it seems, because your bone does not live separate from the rest of the body. To maintain your bones, cartilage, and joints, the body needs an internal environment that is better nourished, less overload of inflammation, and also able to repair its tissues. The apple you're going to use provides antioxidants that help protect cells from daily wear and tear, and its fiber supports your intestines, which is the doorway where vitamins, minerals, and nutrients enter before the body uses them into bones, muscles, and tissues. Now take the banana peel, wash it out very well, cut it into small pieces, and that banana peel provides plant fiber and small amounts of minerals like potassium and magnesium. Potassium participates in normal muscle tissue, and magnesium helps with the processes related to muscles, nerves, and your bones. This is why our recipe does not look only at calcium. It also looks at what surrounds the bones, because a bone needs muscles to support it. It needs nerves to send signals. It needs joints to move. And it needs connective tissues that are not and should not be neglected. Now place the chopped apple and banana peel into the processor. Add the cinnamon stick broken into small pieces. Cinnamon helps improve the flavor without loading that recipe with sugar. And that matters because excess sugar is not a friend of collagen. Now process everything until it becomes a thick mixture. The apple and banana peel will release their own moisture. And if you see that it is too dry and your processor cannot move it, you can add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Only if needed, obviously. Do not only if needed, obviously, because you're not going to drink it. Now take 1/4 teaspoon of fine eggshell powder. Place it into a spoon, squeeze a few drops fresh of lemon over it, and this step is very important. That lemon provides citric acid and vitamin C. The acidity helps soften that mineral taste of the eggshell powder, and the vitamin C participates in collagen formation, which is the protein that the body uses in skin, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and tissues all around your system. Now add that spoon with the powder and lemon into the processor. Process again for a few more seconds. When everything is fully combined, serve it in a deep plate or a small bowl. It should look like a thick, rustic mash, maybe golden brown in color, with the texture of a dense compote. This first preparation brings several things together: calcium from the shell for bones and teeth, vitamin C from the lemon to support collagen and tissues, minerals from the banana peel for muscles and bodily functions, antioxidants from the apple to help protect cells from wear and tear, and cinnamon to improve the flavor without depending on too much sugar. Now let's go to the second preparation: apple, lemon, honey, and eggshell mash. First, we wash the apple we have very well. Then we remove the peel. Cut the apple into slices and small pieces. Place those pieces into a chopper, a small processor, or a blending cup. Blend until it becomes a soft mash, and the apple here helps create the texture that is easy to eat, especially for older adults who do not want to chew something hard or dry. It also provides natural water and antioxidant compounds that support the body against daily wear and tear. And when a person feels stiff joints, tired muscles, or weaker skin, they do not only need calcium, they also need foods like these to help these tissues better be nourished. When the apple is blended, transfer it to a deep plate or small bowl. Now you add 1/4 teaspoon of that fine eggshell powder. Now, even if I use a spoon to show it on camera, remember it's a very small amount, very small, not a full tablespoon. This is going to provide that calcium, and calcium is a part of the structure of bones and teeth. It also participates in muscle contraction, so we're not only talking about hard bones, we are also talking about the body and how it needs strength to stand up, walk, climb stairs, and obviously be in movement. Now we take half a lemon, squeeze that juice directly over that eggshell powder, let the lemon touch the powder first. The lemon provides that acidity and vitamin C. The acidity here helps soften the mineral taste of the shell, and the vitamin C is important because the body uses it to make collagen and obviously protein found in skin, cartilage, tendons, etc. This is why this mixture is not aimed only for the bone. It also thinks about what's surrounding your bones, the connections, the tissues, and the parts that help you with movement to feel less stiff. Now you add 1 teaspoon of pure bee honey. This is important. The honey helps bind the mash, improve the flavor, and makes the mixture easier to eat. But pay attention, only use 1 teaspoon because we do not want to turn this recipe, meant to support your tissues and bones, into a sugar load. Now blend everything for a few seconds, and this, the apple, eggshell powder, lemon, and honey, combining them is always better. Once it becomes smooth and thick, serve it in a plate. This preparation can be useful for people looking for a simpler way to support their bones, their teeth, their muscles, and their tissues throughout their food and their diet. These are two special combinations, special preparations that help you a lot with your bones, your tissues, your teeth, your muscles, your joints, everything in your body that you can find in your kitchen. Do not wait for everything to fall apart. Don't wait until your body forces you to take care of it. Start today with small preparations for your bones, for your tissues, for your joints, and you're going to thank me tomorrow. Don't forget to give this video a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.